So do you prefer to blow dry your hair or do you prefer to air dry your hair? This is me blow drying my hair to show you what my hair looks like. This is what my hair looks like blow dried. So do you prefer this look? Let's see how I can show you step by step how to air dry your hair to get similar results. So one of the things that I do first is deep conditioning my hair. So a tip that I have for you is when you're washing out your conditioner, make sure not to bunch up your hair and make sure that you are doing your shampoo just like this. So one another tip that I have is when you're applying your conditioners, apply it like this in order to get smoother results. Another tip that I have is when you are detangling your hair, detangle your hair under running water. Detangling your hair under running water will avoid getting tangles and you'll get a smoother look. So this is what my hair looks like with my hair wet. This is the amount of hair I lost during the detangle process. And this is what my hair looks like now. So I'm not going to touch my hair at all. Okay guys, so while I'm air drying my hair, I'm just going to be finding some things to do to pass the time even quickly. So you guys can do chores in the house to help you pass the time and not be touching up your hair. So I haven't touched my hair since I came out of the shower, and so as my process go along, how my hair has been drying. Okay you guys, so this is what my hair looks like fully air dried. Okay, and I'm going to show you now what I do so that it can look really nice. So this is what my ends are looking like. Okay, so this is as it looks as if my hair is slightly blow dried. So we're gonna comb it out and see how that looks. I'm just gonna go down from the ends and go right up. Okay. Oopsies. Okay, so it's slightly damp at the base, which is perfectly fine, but the ends of the hair is completely dry. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. Okay, it took me about an hour and a half perhaps to fully air dry my hair like this. So this is a shot of what my hair looks like blow dried. And this is a shot of how my hair looks like air dried. Let me know in the comments which one of these that you prefer, air drying or blow drying. Okay guys, so this is the final result. This is what my hair looks like. It looks like I just blow dried my hair, which I didn't. So now how am I gonna get rid of the dry look? It looks a bit dry because of how we have no product whatsoever, no leave-in and no oils. And what we're going to do to combat that is moisturize and seal with this. If you guys haven't seen my moisturize and sealing video, you guys can check that out in the cards above. So comment down below, let me know what you think of how the final results look like. My hair looks like it was blow dried, but in fact it was air dried, and that's what I did. Okay, so if you know that this video can help someone, please like and share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Hashtag Hair Obsessed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Check this video out.